It all begins in vast American apple orchards, where fresh apples are carefully harvested at peak ripeness to ensure the best taste and quality. Once harvested, the apples are quickly transported by trucks to nearby processing factories, keeping them fresh from farm to facility. At the factory, thousands of apples are unloaded and placed onto automated conveyor belts, marking the start of their transformation. The apples go through powerful washing systems, where high-pressure water and rotating brushes remove dirt, dust, and natural residues. Advanced cameras and laser scanners inspect every apple, sorting them by size, color, and quality. While damaged apples are removed automatically, selected apples are sliced with precision machines, ensuring uniform cuts for safe, hygienic, and efficient processing. The processed apples are sealed into eco-friendly packages using robotic systems designed to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. Before leaving the factory, workers perform final inspections, checking packaging, labeling, and safety standards. Finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, ready to be distributed across the country. Finally, these apples reach grocery stores nationwide, delivering farm-fresh quality from American orchards to your table.